In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see shared files in Dropbox. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find the files that others have shared with you, all from the Dropbox website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to dropbox.com. This walkthrough focuses on the web experience, which looks the same no matter which computer you're using. Once the page loads, sign in to your Dropbox account. Make sure you're using the account where you expect to receive shared items. If you manage more than one account for work and personal use, it's easy to be in the wrong one without realizing it, so a quick check here saves time later. After you're signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of sections that help organize your content. Click on Shared. This is the dedicated area where Dropbox gathers everything that has been shared with you and everything you've shared with others, so you don't have to hunt through folders to find them. At the top of the shared page, you'll notice tabs that let you filter what you're looking at. To focus specifically on individual files, choose the Files tab. This filter narrows your view to documents like PDFs, images, spreadsheets, and other standalone files that people have shared with you for collaboration or viewing. It's especially useful if you're trying to separate single files from larger shared folders or other kinds of shared content. Once you select files, you'll see a master list of all collaborative individual files shared with you. This list typically includes helpful details like the file name, who shared it, and when it was last modified, so you can quickly understand the context. If you work with a team or receive lots of shared content, this view becomes your command center. You can scan the names, check the dates to find the most recent updates, and verify who the file came from. A quick tip as you review the list. The files view is meant for individual items that others have shared directly. If you are expecting something and don't see it here, it may have been shared as part of a folder or by a different method, so double check that you're in the right account and looking at the right filter. That's all there is to it. Go to dropbox.com, log in, click Shared on the left, and use the Files tab to see the complete list of individual files that have been shared with you. Thanks for watching.